Hey, good morning. So I was on X this morning and I came across this cool post on how to use some of these popular new command line interface tools in Replit. So I played around with installing Codex this morning and it was super easy. So I thought I might show how to do the next one. So we're going to do open Replit and I'm just going to open up maybe the last one I've been working on. We're going to open up shell. And then we're going to do paste that npm install Google Gemini command line interface. So it'll do some thinking. So if you haven't used these are like the new coding tools, but they're not just for coding. I think people have been using them for a lot of really interesting workflows. What it does is it kind of, if you were to install it on your laptop, it would give whichever model you choose access to your whole laptop or your coding environment or whatever. So you could have it read different files on your laptop. It's quite agentic, I would say. Okay, so I think it worked. So let's now do Gemini. And see what pops up. It's supposed to be, okay, great, look at this. So we've got our Gemini command line interface. So it wants us to authorize, like to auth, and it should give us a pop-up. To log in, but I'm not seeing that. Maybe I'll just escape that. Oh, okay, so I hit escape. Now I'm going to say log in with Google. I'm going to choose a Google account. I'm going to sign in. Okay, so now that's what this Twitter thread says. So once you get to the broken page, copy the URL, go to another shell in Replit, type in curl, and then the broken website link, including the quotes, and then type in Gemini. So we're going to copy this. See, it's a local host. So now we're going to open a new shell, and we're going to type in curl, paste that URL, close quotes, hit enter, and then Gemini. Okay, so maybe that didn't work. Okay, so we're going to copy that. We're going to open up a new shell. We're going to do curl, quote, paste that URL, at the end of it, quote, Gemini. So I think it loaded my credentials this time. And there we are. So now we have our Gemini CLI open. So, hey, so we can ask questions, edit files, run commands, be specific with best results. We can create a Gemini MD file to customize your interactions or help. So let's just do help. So this backslash, it opens up like a submenu, right? Where you can learn a lot more about this. But I'm just going to start typing and say, hey, can you tell me about this project that we have open in Replit? Never gonna give. Okay, so it's gonna try to read files. So it accessed my app.py, PyProject toml, and my README. So this is a Streamlit web application that converts GeoJSON waypoint data into DJI compatible KMZ files. Yeah, so we could edit it now, and it will be making changes to my project. But anyways, I'm going to play around with this. I have been curious about these CLI tools for a while, and I haven't used them yet. So here we are. Thank you very much to Ethan Tobinson for a super helpful little thing. You could do this with Gemini. You could do it with GPT-5 Codex, and you can do it with Claude Code, which just released their new Sonnet 4.5 yesterday. So anyways, good luck. Try it. Let me know if it works.